Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, steel wheels, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, bucket seats, cloth seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.